How to copy a link on Telegram mobile app. So let's get started. It's pretty simple and easy. So open the app, open your conversation with someone, and there is a link. Okay, you got two options how to do it. So you can tap here, not on the link, but tap here, and then just click this, and you will copy the link. Okay, but there's another option. If you tap on this link, this window will pop up, and then you can choose open or copy. And that's it, guys. This is really simple. So I'm gonna show you one more time. Open the conversation, and you got two options. So you can tap here, click this icon, and you copy the link, or just tap on this link. Alright, and you can open or copy. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel, subscribe the channel. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.